Let me ask you something. When you first heard about affiliate marketing, did you think you need a huge following, a professional website, a big budget, or maybe some kind of special skill that you just do not have yet? I thought all of that too, and I was wrong about every single one. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start affiliate marketing from zero, with no experience, no audience, and no money to invest, while still working your full-time job. 5 steps, no fluke. Let's get into it. My name is Francis. I work a full-time job and I am building affiliate marketing income on the side. On this channel, I document the real journey, no fake results, no overnight success story, just honest content for people who are serious about building something extra. If you're new here, welcome, hit subscribe, and let's get into the 5 steps. Step 1. Before you do anything, you need to understand what affiliate marketing actually is. Because most people start with a blurry picture of it, and that confusion costs them months. Here's the simplest way I can explain it. A company has a product, they want more customers. Instead of spending all their monies on ads, they let people like you and me promote the product for them. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a percentage of the sales. That percentage is your commission. You do not create the product, you do not handle any orders, you do not deal with customer complaints. Your only job, your one and only job is to connect the right person with the right product. That is it. Everything is handled by the company. Simple, clean, and completely beginner friendly. Step 2 is choosing your niche, and I want to make this as simple as possible for you because this is where most beginners overthink and get stuck for weeks. A niche is just the topic your content revolves around. And for 9 to 5 workers, the best niche to start with is the one you are already living right now. Side income, make money online, building something extra while working full-time. Why is that the best starting point? Because you do not need to pretend to be an expert. You are your own target audience. Every question your viewers have, you have it too. Every frustration they have, you have feel it. That sheer experience is more powerful than any qualification or credentials. People do not want to learn from someone who has everything figured out. They want to learn from someone who is 1 or 2 steps ahead of them and keep it completely real. That is your advantage as a beginner. Step 3. Find one product to promote. Just one, not 3, not 5. One single product that you can focus on completely. Here is how to find it. Think about your niche. Side income for 9 to 5 workers. What product genuinely helps someone in that situation? It could be a course that teaches affiliate marketing from scratch, a tool that helps them manage their content, a resource that gives you a real insight or breakthrough, whatever you choose. The rule is non-negotiable. You must actually believe in it. Not because the commission is high, not because it is popular, because you will recommend it to a close friend without hesitation. When you believe in something, it shows in the way you talk about it. You are specific, you are passionate, you answer questions naturally, and that energy is exactly what converts viewers into buyers. Once you have your product, sign up for their affiliate program. It is usually free and takes about 5 minutes. You will get your unique link and you're ready to go. For me personally, the product I promote is something I went through myself and truly believe in. The link in the description if you want to check it out. Step 4. And this is where the real works begin. Pick one platform and create content consistently. One platform, not 2, not 3, 1. Since you are watching this on YouTube, I'm going to recommend you start here. And here is why YouTube is genuinely one of the best platforms for affiliate marketing as a beginner. When you post a video on YouTube, it does not disappear after 24 hours like a social media post. It sits there, it gets indexed by Google, and it can bring you views and clicks for months, sometimes years. After you upload it, that means the video you made today could still be earning you commission for 2 years from now. Your content strategy at this stage is simple. Make videos that answer questions your audience is already searching for. Think back to what you are Googling when you first started. How to start affiliate marketing with no experience? Can you do affiliate marketing while working full-time? How long does affiliate marketing take to work? Those exact questions are your video topics. One video per week consistent, that is the whole strategy right now. Step 5. Be patient, and I mean genuinely patient, not just saying it and expecting result in 30 days. Your first few videos will probably get 10 views, maybe 20, and I know that feels discouraging, but here's the truth. Those 10 people are real. They found your video, they clicked on it, they watch it. That is not failure, that is the beginning. What you should be doing during this early phase is paying attention to your YouTube analytics. Which videos got the most views, which one had the highest watch time, meaning people actually stay and watch, which topic got comment or question. That data is telling you exactly what your audience want more of. Every single person who is successful at affiliate marketing today went through this exact phase. The slow phase, the quiet phase, the phase where it feels like nothing is working. The only difference between them and the people who quit is that they keep going anyways. Consistency is not just a motivational advice. For affiliate marketing on YouTube, it is literally the strategy. So there you go. 5 steps to start affiliate marketing from zero while working a full-time job. Understand what really is. Pick one niche that fits your life. Find one product you genuinely believe in. Create content on one platform every single week. And be patient enough to let it actually work. This is the whole roadmap. No skill required, no big budget, no massive audience. Just those 5 steps done consistently over time. I am Francis. I am on this journey with you, documenting everything every single week. If you want to follow along, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and tell me which step you are on right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to you personally. The link in the description is what I personally use to build my affiliate system. Go check it out when you are ready. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.